will always love you. Will. Hi everyone, hola a todos. Today we continue learning about the future tense. Last video we did going to, so now we're going to move on with the second way to speak future, will. Let's take a look. We will use the same three sentences from last time. I watched a movie. Last week we said to change to future we say
I am going to watch a movie.
I am going to watch a movie. When we use will, we say this. I will watch a movie. I will watch a movie. I just add will between I and watch. I work at Walmart. I work at Walmart. We add the will, same place, between I and work. I will work at Walmart. I will work at Walmart. I go to college. Same thing. Between I and go, I add will. I will go to college. So, we discussed two ways to say the future. Going to and will. Which one do we use? Well, I am going to is used more when we talk about plans. And we use I will when we talk more about something that is for sure and something like determination. So when it's still a plan, you're not sure. Maybe I'm going to go to college. But when you are 100% sure and determined, you say I will go to college. So now you have the skill to talk about the past, the present, and the future. Cool. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.